I feel like I am driving into a fairy tale right now. Like, this is insane. There's rolling fog all over the hills, and the sun is shining through, and there's rivers, and there's train tracks, and the colors of the leaves are starting to turn. It's just incredibly beautiful. I can't even believe this place exists.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine, I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again.
Heck yes! I made it in time for parking! Woohoo! You ready to go for a hike? We officially made it to Glacier National Park. The drive here was absolutely incredible. I cannot express how beautiful it was. I am at the Hermit Trailhead. It's gonna be a challenging hike, but I think the views are gonna be totally worth it. It is a gorgeous day. It's in the 50s, it's sunny, and I think the views are just gonna be incredible. I figured Rue and I will start with a bang and do a harder hike on our first day, and then for the next couple days I have some easier things planned. For the next couple nights I actually don't have any campsite reservations, so I went on iOverlander and I found some spots around here. I can imagine they're going to be pretty loud if they are roadside pull-offs. I'm not too sure yet. We'll figure that out tonight. But then for the rest of the trip, I have reservations in Yoho, Icefields Parkway, Lake Louise, and Banff. So I was able to throw all of those reservations together very last minute. It worked out really well. I have a plan. I have a little itinerary. We will see if I stick to it. But yeah, let's go check out the Hermit Trail. You look adorable with your little bear bow. You ready? Honestly, I've never hiked in grizzly country before, so it's another thing that I'm nervous about, but facing my fears. Already getting views. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to get to the top. these views. Okay, backpacking in Canada is sick. They have a map, they have platforms for your tent, and they have bear lockers. I want to backpack here. So we just hung out at the campground at the summit for a little over an hour. I met some locals that gave me some amazing recommendations for the rest of my trip. And everyone here is just so friendly. Everyone you pass on the trail is like, have a great hike. I love Canada. I want to live here. It is getting very chilly and it's already starting to get dark. So I need to hustle down this mountain and go figure out where I'm gonna go sleep tonight. Wish me luck!
Everything's fine. Wouldn't expect any more from this. The situation's in line with every story that I heard of the burning bliss, and I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, trying to evaluate.
So the trail I just did is called Hermit Trail. It's 5 miles long, but the elevation gain is 2,700 feet. So essentially you're doing that over 2.5 miles. So it's very steep, which isn't terrible for me going up, but going down, it always kills my knees. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat up my dinner now and throw out all of my trash here. That way, wherever I camp tonight, I'm not bringing any smells with me. Let's see which Trader Joe item is for dinner this evening. Should we do microwavable tamales? That's kind of what I'm thinking. That and some sriracha. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Cool. Good job, bro. You did so good. I'm so proud of you. Here, we'll turn on the AC for a minute. It'll cool it down here a little bit. I've never ran the AC and the microwave at the same time. I'm kind of scared. It seems fine. I'll show you guys. He is out like a light. For those of you that don't know, Rue is 9 years old. And she never ceases to impress me. Every day. Mwah. She's such a good adventure pup. I'm gonna try to eat as quickly as I can because I really need to get going. So I just had a sriracha explosion in the van. Dang mountains and their elevation. Hey bud, you ready? Good job. All right, we are gonna go down the road to check out a spot that I found on iOverlander. It's pretty much the only one in this area. It's right next to Bear Creek, and I'm hoping to do Bear Creek Falls tomorrow, so we shall see. inside because it's a Saturday. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh, is it open? And it's right next to the, there's a fan. No, we were so close, so close. Okay, try the next one. Roller coaster of emotions over here. Okay, I think we're rolling up on option number 2. Maybe. I don't know if that's a campsite. I guess you could go back there. I could keep going and see if there's anything better. Why not? Let's do it. Let's see what we got. So it kind of just brings you to the train tracks, which I don't particularly want to sleep next to. I did see one other campsite, but I think I'm going to go back to that first one that's right next to the river and it's closer to the main road. Whoa! The mountains! Ah, that's beautiful. Yeah, then I'll be closer to the road tomorrow for when I go do Bear Creek Falls, and then I also want to do Wapta Falls, something like that. A couple easy hikes tomorrow. So far, I am loving this Canada trip. I feel like the weather was absolutely perfect today, and the beautiful clear skies allowed me to see some incredible views, and the reviews I read from that hike said just the day prior it was very foggy and you couldn't see anything. So I feel very blessed, very lucky, very grateful, as always. All right, let's set up camp. Okie dokie. What do you think, Rue? What do you think? So that is where we just were, and that's where we drove to. It was only about 10 minutes away. Oh, it's so pretty here. Come on. I'm surprised there's not more people here since it's a Saturday, but I guess since it's September. Off season. This is home for the evening. The sound of the creek will be nice to sleep to. The sound of the highway and potentially the train, not so much. But I am pooped. So I'm gonna go change out my sheets. I got these new flannel, but they're actually jersey sheets. I don't know if they're gonna work great, but it's supposed to get very cold. So I'm gonna change those out. I'm gonna grab my duvet out of the garage space and yeah, get cozy for the night. Hey! Thank you, Canada border people, for putting that right there where I could grab it. My bed is ultimately cozy now. I have so many layers. I have this throw, this duvet, I have a heated blanket potentially in case I need it, and then these new jersey sheets which are so soft and seem very comfortable and warm. So I'm gonna be toasty tonight. I'll probably be too hot. I am exhausted, so I am going to just chill out and head to bed soon. And then I will see you guys tomorrow for some more fun adventures.